Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you most of the reason why your phone storage is full and how you can simply fix it right here in this video. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Quite a lot number of people does not really know that most of the reason why their phone storage is always full is not about the media file they have on the phone. Most of the time, some of the app we have on our phone, like our Gmail app, our Chrome app, or Instagram, or any type of app we have on our phone, is also have a system file that consume a lot of storage space on our phone. And as a result of that, I'm going to share some trick with you in this video on how to remove storage space without affecting the app or without affecting the system, operational system of your phone. So let's take a look at the Gmail right here. What we want to do here is to simply click and hold down, and then I'll simply go to app info. Now under the app info right here, I will go to storage and cache. Now, as you can see right here, I have 19.46 megabytes for cache. So what we want to do here is to simply click on cache file. It's that simple. Now you want to clear the storage. Simply go to clear storage and delete apps data. These apps data, including files and settings, will permanently deleted from this device. Simply click on delete, and you can see you save another huge amount of storage right here. You can go on and do it with every app you have on your Android phone, and this does not have any effect on the app. So let me quickly open up my Gmail again. You can see, so just like what you see right here, I still have all my mail intact right here. So you can go on and do it as many as possible with any apps you have on your phone. So let's take a look at Instagram right here. If I click and hold down on my Instagram again, then I click on app info. Then right here we have 1.27 gig storage right here. I'll click on that. Then you can see huge file for cache, which is 475. So I will simply click on clear cache. Then we save a lot from there. I'm going to exit from here. Then another trick I would like to share with you here as far as this storage issue is concerned. If you head over to your Play Store, like for instance, if you delete any apps on your Android phone, let's say for instance, we want to delete a app right here. So like I'm going to delete this particular app right here. So what we want to do is to click and hold down first. Then make sure you go to app info. Then make sure you go to storage and cache. Then there is no cache file right here. We only have user data. So right here is about 4.79 megabytes. I'm going to click on clear storage. Now click on delete. Now we save some file right here. I'm going to simply go back again. Then right here, I will now come to uninstall. Then I'll click on OK. Now the app has been successfully uninstalled from my phone, but that is not the end. You still need to delete the complete app from your Play Store in order to free up enough storage space on your phone. And for you to do that, if you are using Android phone, head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then having opened up your Play Store, next thing I'm going to do is to click on my profile icon right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply go to manage apps and device. Then right here, I'm going to simply go to manage. Then right here, I'm going to simply click on this device. Then I'm going to simply click on not install. So right here, you have all the apps you have been deleted so far from your Android phone. Everything is going to be found right here. So including the recent one you just deleted, you are going to find them right here. What you need to do is to continue to delete them as many as possible, because if you don't delete them, they still have occupied some of the space on your Android phone or your iPhone, just like what you see right here. Take a look at this one right here, Twitter Lite. So I'm going to simply click on here to select it. You can select as many as possible apps that you are no longer use, continue to select them one after the other. So you can see the number of megabytes I'm going to simply save as a result of this. So once you select as many as possible, then come to the top right here, click on this trash bin right here. Then remove selected apps. Click on remove. So about 13 apps. So you can go on and remove all unnecessary apps that you have right here. They are occupying more space on your Android phone without giving you any value. And as a result of that, you continue to have storage problem in your Android device. It's as simple as that. Lastly, I'm going to exit from here. Then I'll head over to my Google Drive. So click on your Google Drive. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then make sure you check on your trash. So there is nothing in my trash. Then click on go back. Click on this three dot again. Then go to settings. Make sure you scroll down right here and make sure you click on clear cache. Document cache will be cleared. Simply click on OK. Lastly, come down below right here. You can change from 250 megabytes to 100 megabytes cache file size. So basically, this is how to fix the storage full on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.